You want the map? You want the map? The map, Papa. The map.
Food and drinks. Pause. Let's get some food and drinks. Where are we?
You want me to carry him? Here, you record with both phones.
No, it's okay. I just think this dumbass makes me carry.
Let me carry her. Look at the dragon throwing the fire.
Ooh, that's tough. I do.
Let's.
It's a really big waterfall. This is cool.
Look at another dragon. Oh my god. Look how cool that looks. Look how cool that looks, Papa.
Breezes are crispy. Surprise this way. Ooh. Oh no, but that doesn't.
Where's Mama?
Just tastes like chicken.
Look how cool that is. What was in there? I didn't leave you.
You're heavy.
Look like a little monkey when you cry. Really.
I want to take a picture.
You want to go that way? Or that way?
That way. That way.
The SeaWorld and other things.
Under the sea. Yeah?
I want to go
This place looks fun.
that way.
Looks really fun.
Yeah?
I want to go that way. That way. That way.
Mm-hmm.
Where?
Yeah.
What the hell?
Yeah, we're gonna go that way. We're gonna get something from here though. So now you get a strawberry shortcake. That's the menu right there. You got hot chocolate, you got coffee, assorted hot teas, pumpkin loaf, coffee cake, canned what?
What's getting cooked?
Ready to enjoy. Cazadores, tequila, paloma. Ay, ay, ay.
Dragon paddle, of course.
High Moon vodka seltzer, cut water, tiny rum, Mai Tai. Want to warm up? Get your son.
I wanted my own now. It's so good.
What do you want, babe?
What is half?
Hot chocolate, coffee,
No, just finish on
pumpkin loaf, coffee cake.
water rages with.
I want coffee tea.
Coffee cake?
Yeah.
You want coffee cake?
Bro. This racist kid keeps saying my neck hurts. The racist little. I don't care.
Where'd you see that?
What?
Forsaken is the best game in the whole entire universe. Alright, bro. Be happy.
From where? No, where's that stuff in Walmart?
Alrighty. Thank you so much. Have a good one.
No, like that.
Oh, the hot chocolate. I forgot.
Here, let me see.
I like the way this paper smells. Is that cold brew? Make you feel like a deer in 2 minutes. I like the way this paper smells.
What is it?
Oh,
Is
it's
it
like
beer?
recycled
I want to smell the paper. It smells like wet paper. No, it just smells like horrible.
That's how I got. Almost sound like I'm making my ear.
Guys, it's really hot. For real, it's
Open it?
it's hella hot. It's really hot. Good blanket got in the
El Venao. El Venao.
It's hot tonight.
Something's wrong with your blood.
It's freezing.
Power strong.
My nose is like. Crash out girl. It's the crash out girl right now. And you say hi, Annie. Say hi. See what I mean? Crash out girl.
Pay attention to them. Stay
Ooh, that's tough. I just said say hi. What is that, a felony now? To tell the nanny to say hi.
It sure is.
To say hi to a girl.
Then don't.
Sounds good. That's the best right there. Careful with this one, baby, because
Baby. Ooh, this is hot. I'm just gonna keep it in my hand because it's so hot.
take it.
Hell yeah.
Go down the hill, make a left. We're gonna hit our main home.
All right. Taking my this.
Yes. I burned my
Yeah,
tongue
mama.
right now. You said it was hot. I couldn't resist the urge.
What's wrong, Lenny?
The bubble.
Because always I
just want to say hi. Hi.
Come on, let's go. Let's walk.
That was it. Just blow you kisses.
Under the Sea World.
That's because I was trying to suck the whipped cream part up, and then some hot cocoa came with it for my taste buds. No.
Can I have some?
I want to go here in summer. You know what I'm saying?
Find out how much the tickets are.
Where's 50?
Wild Rivers. Though it may be closed now, it is open during summer.
How can we go in there? I don't know.
Oh man. He spawned out of nowhere. He literally spawned out of nowhere. No, he spawned out of nowhere. The same person who'll be drinking one of these.
Ooh, that's tough.
Get yourself some Dippin' Dots.
Impuesto. Yeah, even though it's cold as shit. Ruin them.
This is so big.
It's good, huh?
Bro.
But
The whipped cream's not even on my... Ah, that hurts. You gonna get another bite?
you just feel like crying a lot, Lenny.
I was looking at the water.
I know.
Look, then it's cereal.
Wow.
I wish there was something.
Fuck, this just looks like hot, like
It's like water.
black coffee.
I know.
I thought there was Sonic in here. The Sonic?
I don't know, Baba. Jellyfish.
Is there like a bench where you can sit on?
Look at the shark. Doo-doo. 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 Doo-doo.
Oh, can I see the two pictures?
Okay, go.
What?
After them, okay?
Where's your eyeball?
That's a shark, babe.
No, over there.
That's a sidebar.
Yeah, this is a shark. But I'm talking about the whale.
I know.
Crashed out of my whipped cream and still at the top of my cup. No.
Ready?
No.
1, 2, hug each other.
Then yours will die.
Do it again, kiss her. Hey, man.
I'm gonna go over. Come here.
Go, Benny.
A shark.
just let him use this one.
What if you take a picture of a picture? That's crazy.
I want a skateboard. Fast.
Lenny.
Eleni.
Close enough. Yeah, close enough.
She's irritating me.
Why would you not?
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
What is this?
This is like where a slide area is during the pool hours. Come here, King. King.
Where is it located?
Buena Park? No, right? Common?
No. I don't remember. It's passing Anaheim by like another half hour.
Well, it's passing once we find out where
I will post the address on the info.
I want all out. Please want to pocket.
Grab it. Just grab the grab the bread. You ate it all, Baba?
Yeah.
Wow, you liked it, huh? It's good. Get yourself a pumpkin coffee cake. It's amazing.
How?
Booblies.
Go, King. Go with Lenny. Go, guys.
Can you hold the blanket so I got
Go with the babies, you guys. Go with the babies, you big babies.
Look, Mama.
Lenny, look at me. Cheese. Lenny.
crap.
Or Lenny. She's zoomed out. Mentirosa.
No?
Huh?
Did we got it?
Yeah, go Ethan if you want to get in. Can you just go take a picture really quick and then bye-bye. Go Vinny next to King, hurry up. Or next to Ethan.
Do we have to beg Vinny? If you don't want to come out, you don't have to come out.
2. I just like this. 1, 2, 3 queso.
Why don't you get further, bro?
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Look, Vinny. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, just go. Come on.
No. Pop. 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 Pop.
Yeah, it's cool. Uh.
No. No. Pop. No. Yes. I couldn't.
Pop. Pop.
Yahoo! Yahoo! I'm Mario! I'm Sonic! Yahoo! Yahoo!
I'm Mojo Jojo.
Yahoo!
Mojo Jojo.
This is really good.
Yeah?
This is kind of like hurting my throat with like other particles that I cannot name. My stomach. Is there no benches?
You're like the skinniest one. You act like you're the fattest one, bro. Oh, there you go. Special surprise.
Look at that big dragon.
Wow, look at that dragon.
Wow.
Whoa, no way. That's super cool.
Can I kiss them?
Sure.
Stop. Stop.
It's not gonna stop it, man.
Can I catch you?
Be careful.
Stop.
It's gonna eat you. I'm just kidding. It's not gonna eat you.
I got you. I got you.
you.
I got you. I got you.
All right, come on.
They hit me.
They hit you?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can do that.
That's not nice.
Bro, so you can go.
There are mollusks in the alcohol.
Good, because it's gone.
Thanks for offering.
I still have some. That's why I'm offering. Don't be talking. Don't be talking.
What the hell is the head? Would you like a treat?
No worries, no worries. I know.
I'm inside. That's a sky inside. Can I try?
Take a picture, King. Send up, Papa. Send up, King.
What are you doing, King? Bro, that was so tough.
I love the holidays.
Yo. Remember those freaky Western songs we were singing at Six Flags?
Duh.
That was actually kind of fun.
Does that light have a beanie?
Guys, look.
The light has a beanie,
Look.
keeping his head warm.
Bro said it was cold.
Oh, where are my presents? What you talking about, Willis? What they got over here? This looks like a Starbucks. Ice cream? The churro fries. En los fries del churro.
Popcorn.
Get you some churro, apple pie slice, churro fries, pretzel, hot dog, stadium nachos, popcorn, soft serve, or wild wing. Happens. Somebody done forgot their bottle. That baby's gonna be thirsty.
A dumpster.
What?
A dumpster.
I'm a drumstick?
No, I'm not.
I'm dumpster?
No.
I'm not? That's nice.
Ooh, look. You know what? We should buy the golden clothes. A golden cloth.
That sounded wild, bro. Did you hear that? Golden drone?
Yeah, golden. That would be sick. You can even sit down. I want popcorn, Dad. I want to sit down to sleep.
Ooh, this is also not.
Get on, mama. Get on.
How does this mechanism work?
Get on, Vinny. Sit on, Vinny. Here.
Whoa, this Ooh,
Ready?
this is tough.
Whee!
Ooh, this is tough. We're gonna break it.
I can. I want to spin it. Can I spin it?
I missed it.
Woo! Woo!
I can spin it up.
Check out, we're making the butterfly fly away. Yeah. Next you know,
Yeah.
swing got wrong.
I want to do it. I want to swing it. Okay. No, get on.
How about my song?
No, I don't want to get your fingers. Can you just sit down on it?
The beginning part of this song right now sounded like Dead Rails.
Can't get on it. And swing your legs. Get on there, Lenny. Okay. Swing your legs.
Doesn't this sound like Dead Rails?
She can't even swing her leg.
Doesn't this sound like Dead Rails?
Yes. If the country starts playing, that I'm gonna have to start singing.
You might have to what?
If the country start playing, I'm gonna have to start singing. All right, before Lenny flips forward. All right, slow down, bro. Why are you going so fast?
I want popcorn.
Should we get popcorn here?
Ooh, buddy.
Hey, can I get one popcorn, one hot dog?
Oh, we're actually out of the hot dog.
Okay, just one popcorn then.
Just popcorn?
Mm-hmm.
Anything?
Get what? Get what?
Cotton candy. I tried to get a hot dog, but she said,
I'm not a lot of hot dogs.
I want lollipop. There it's on.
This tastes pretty stinky. I want fries.
get you some corn pops.
Coin pops.
Here, right there, you can have the rest.
Another one.
I know.
What are you waiting for, King?
Yeah, I did it!
You want to jump on him?
Nate. Nate, go!
I guess so, Vinny.
You go fit, Benny.
Go, follow her.
I forgot the pattern. Which way to let me go?
Give me some popcorn, boy. What?
Why can't X tell jokes? Because he's cracked up.
Because he goes both ways.
Why do people like boiled eggs more than cooked eggs?
Oh, I kind of want some boiled eggs.
So you like them hard.
Because they find them appealing. I'm such a kid. You want to know something crazy?
What?
Lenny never wanted popcorn.
I know.
You knew it was Vinny the whole time?
Yeah. Wow. Whoa. I used to love her, but I have to get 6 feet under the ground. I used to love her, but I had to kill her. Oh no. Baby done fell. Baby done fell. What, King? Rapping? Got the country songs going.
Yo, no, not again. You gotta come here in the summer.
What?
Oh, baby down. Oh. Whoa.
What's that the way?
I didn't know that's the new way to say excuse me. TFOW, bro. No! 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 Do it like it now. Do it like it's gonna get you. You're a terrible actor. King, look, it's alive, look. Ah! 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 Ah!
Dada, come here.
Pretty lady. Santa, honey. Hmm? You had to be a private member or something like that.
Ow! Can you tell the kid to stop kicking my foot? Oh.
New Orleans.
New Orleans.
What happened? I don't know.
Dada, there's no candy? No candy?
Candy?
Yeah.
I don't know. We're gonna go check over there. Kaluka, Maliki Malako.
What do you say?
Oko Ono. Shh. Aloha.
Look! How can you whistle?
Hmm?
How can you whistle? Look.
That look like nobody in. Oh shit. He wants cotton candy.
The cotton candy's over there.
Oh my god, bro.
My God. Tired, mama. Your mom.
Sonic.
No, you're Amy.
No, I want to be Sonic. I found it.
They both have enough in the game. Yeah, we did. You don't get it. Like, a big culture.
I'm gonna go use the restroom, man. Right?
Get down, Mama.
He was hitting her.
Get down.
She was hitting her. No. Ethan.
I was not hitting her. I was doing it with the jacket.
That's true.
Get that harmonica under there. Ooh. Put a guitar under there and a cowboy hat. Bicycle maybe. Don't know what he's gonna do with that horse.
Get a calculator.
Why can't you just stay on the path? What did she touch?
Nothing.
What happened, Lenny? Lenny, what happened? You're gonna turn into a dolphin now.
Ooh, that's tough.
I am not mean. You just don't stay still.
Dada, you know Ariane?
Yes.
I'll go back over here again.
What? Taste what? Yes, I do.
Ah! Where are you going? I'm a lollipop.
I want a lollipop. Give me a...
What did we take here? So this is, it can teleport us. You know why?
Why?
Because it's gay. I already got him. That's a, you know why?
Yeah?
I already got him. Because it's cool.
Super.
Super cool. It's like Mario will for this. I'll explain with Mario because there's no sound here. Or Yoshi or Luigi. That Yoshi's like green like Yoshi.
Wow.
I want to Yo!
Oh my God, bro!
You're a bad boy.
That's so awesome.
He eats little girls called our Lenny.
Talk mama.
You're a good boy.
Talk mama. My bad. My bad.
You're my best friend. You're my best friend.
That's the mama of Luigi that
That looks like a skibbity water. There's nothing.
No doubt.
Look at the red one on. How is it on? Magmadon! Magmadon! Magmadon!
Yo, I want,
That was Wild River for you.
can,
I put the address down below so you can see it.
can I have the
This was
phone?
fun just for the family, just to come and look at a beautiful light for Christmas and get that spirit of the holidays.
And hit the bell and subscribe.
That's right. Press the square.
Subscribe, why? Why?